Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log in SproutGigs. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So first of all, open a web browser of your choice. I'm using a web browser that is called Brave because it is one of the most reliable web browsers for me personally. So for what you have to do after going to a web browser is simply go to SproutGigs.com. Okay, let's just search for it. And at the top you can see there is a login option. Simply tap on login, and here you have two blanks to fill up, and simply at the top you can type your email address, so like this one. Okay, and now at the bottom blank space, you can simply type your password. And if you want to remember the password and the next time you log in, then you can simply tick on this remember password, remember me option, and simply log in, and you will be logged into your SproutGigs. And the video is this much. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.